Hi everyone, welcome back to my UET official channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you the tips, some tips that can make you to get approved from Google Adsense with your Blogspot website. So today I have 5 tips to show you that it is very important to you and completely 100% of those people get approved from the monetization from the YouTube, from the Google Adsense. And you can see here it is my blogspot, and it's monetized like this. So it can make you completely get 100% to get approved from Google Adsense. So now let's get started. The first one is we're gonna talk about the themes and template. Theme and template is generally designed by the other people that you can get it for free, but some of those themes has not enough code to support with the AdSense. So thing that I recommend to you is to use a full theme, not a free version of the theme, because free version is not successfully coding or not successfully support with some of the script like JavaScript, like CSS styles and anything. It's not support well because it is not a full version of the Blogspot template. So I want to recommend you to use a full template or full theme of your Blogspot website, and make sure that you are not adding too much code inside your Blogspot theme, because some people they have design after they have installed the theme inside the Blogspot website, they will add something like more code to make it professional, just designing everything just like this, but they have too much. It means they add to CSS style, add to the script style, and add a lot of style to make the blogger is better, but I'm not recommend to do that, because after you bought a full theme from the Blogspot website, from any website, it means they have already fixed for you, especially in the 2022. It can make you very professional, and all the code, all the script and CSS style is very supported to the AdSense. So don't try to fix or don't try to edit any code inside the HTML file, and do not try to design too much style inside your Blogspot website, because the some code, some script, some CSS style can stuck you with the AdSense coding. It can cause you to start with the AdSense coding, and make sure that they will review your Blogspot website by the real humanity, not a robot. So they will making a review depending on your posting. For example, when you are post more than 200, it takes too much long time to review your Blogspot website. So it can be take longer times. Sometimes it take a month or 2 months or 3 months, depending on your posting inside your Blogspot. The final answer is don't try to download or try to use the free themes, free Blogspot template, because they have not enough coding or the plugin to support well with Google Adsense. This is the first one. And number two is we talk about the traffic source. Make sure that what country are visiting your blogspot website, and that country have monetization or not, and how much their CPMs in their country. So the most popular country that have paid a high CPMs is in United States, Australia, Canada, or anything that some most country. But I recommend you to get the traffic source from those countries. And some country is not allows to monetize in this country, like Cambodia or any other country that not completely allows in monetization, such as YouTube or anything. It's small CPM and small revenue when the people from this country watching your blogspot website. And the question is, how many people have been visiting your website per day? So you make sure that, I mean, you are not visiting yourself. I mean different people that came to visit your website. Not talking about yourself, is visiting yourself in this website. So how many people that your blogspot website have visited per day? If you have lower visitors, for example, one or nothing per day, it will not approve to. The monetization will not approve to your blogspot website too, because there are no people coming to your blogger's website. But if you have 5 people or 10 people per day visiting in your blogspot website, and those people are coming from the high CPM country like the United States, Canada, Australia, and any other country that high CPM, your blogspot will be approved by the team of Google Adsense. This is the way. And if you are not clear or not get my speaking, you can turn on the CC button icon below the videos to see or to clear what I am talking about. Number three is the unique content, not pass or copy. As my experience for over nearly 10 years now with Blogspot, I have never success at the first 2 years or 4 years, but as I noticed that the bot will be catch you if you copy or paste article inside the posting. So that is the best way of doing this. So don't try to copy any article from other websites, or don't try to stolen other article inside in the website to post it in your website. So don't try to do that. It is a bad thing, because the content will be duplicated in the Google platform. So you should to write it by your finger, by typing it in yourself. Although the topic is the same to the other websites, but I think that it's completely different writings and different idea between of those articles. So if you are already done with this experience, you will be get approved from the monetization from Google Adsense. Don't try to stolen someone articles, or don't try to copy or paste inside the posting. That is not good. So you need to write it by your own fingers, and the Google bot will catch you with the keyboard typing, and they will verify you that you are writing it by yourself and your own ideas. A lot of people have the same ideas, but it's completely not different typing. It's completely different between typing, and some of part of the idea will be different in the posting. So thing that we're gonna do is no copy, no paste, and type it by your own finger, and do not to post too much about that, because some article is important to them. And in this blogger website I have only 10 posts here, and I do not post any much, but I type it by my own fingers, and all of these are my completely ideas and my finger typing. So it is an original one of the article. So don't try to copy someone article and pass it in your blogspot website. And every article should be important to the visitor, not posting any spam to your blogspot website. Make sure that all article is really important to the user, to the visitor, and all the articles should be written in English or the other language that support with monetization language, like English and Russian or anything. And the other is every post should be rich in articles, not a picture. So make sure that every posting you should be have a full of the article like this. So every post should be rich in articles, just like the text here. So everything is a text, not an image. So try to post with the articles or text, not try to post any movie or any picture or anything. To make it a pro, you need to post it with the text. Not recommend to post any other image or video or movie. Don't try to do that. You will not approve from the Adsense. And the last one is we talk about the impression, or we can say number of minutes that visitors came to your website and stay longer to 1, 2 or 3 or more than 3 minutes. And the visitor should be reading your articles, so it can take up to 3 or 4 minutes long. So every post should be have an article that completely explain with your experience, and you believe that the people will read your articles. They are not getting too much spam article. So make sure that you give a real article or real idea to the visitor. So this is the way that you got approved from Google Adsense to the Blogspot website. And among of these 4 important things, one is the most important thing, is the traffic source. So make sure that the traffic source is completely from the Europe or any other high CPM country in the world. You can check it by yourself in the Google search to see what country are high CPM and support well with monetization. So it is one of the most important things among these 4 tips. And the visitor should be read your articles. Make sure that the visitor should be read carefully about your article. And I mean that the visitor not came to your website and then they quit immediately after found your website. That is not good to do that. So you need to make some impression or some important attractive article to make them read it. Spend 5 to 4 minutes to read it. So I think you understand about this. And the final is all. And remember that don't try to copy or paste any article to post in your blogspot website. So you should write it by your handwriting, by typing keyboard by yourself. Sometimes it takes 2 max hours to post one article, but you should to do that. Don't make your blogspot website become a copyright article, or don't use the copyright article. So you should have your own ideas, your own writings, and your own picture, and all the posts should be unique content. No one talking about this, and although they are talking about this too, but it's completely a different idea between you and the other website, or we can say the different writing between you and other website. Here is the method that you get approved in 2021-22. So thank you for watching my video tutorial, and if you have any question, please leave me a comment below. So thank you again.